Hi there, Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and I'm going to show you how to use the now function in Excel 2016. First things first, let's just type it into a given cell. Equals now, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, and it returns me the date. It can also return to me the time. In fact, all 6 of these cells here are the now function. It can return to me a long date, a date with a spelled out month. It can return to me the serial number of the date plus the fractional part of the day, and I can format it as whatever else I want, say a percent, which doesn't really make sense. But anyways, moving on, uses of the now function. I have 2 uses I can show you today, equals now, and I have the current time. I put in equals now. I know that Russia is half of a day ahead of me, so plus 0.5, so 0.5 of a day ahead of us, and we get 3:29:18 p.m. To fact check this, we can put in Russia time minus Eastern time, and we get a 12-hour difference. Over here, Evergreen Tutorials publishes 1 video every single day. So how do we keep track of that? Time now, we put in equals now, great, and then I can put in equals today plus 1. So that's the start of the new day. That's 0 hour, and for the time left, I can put in equals the first day minus what time it is right now, and I can see that 20 hours is left to make that video that we have to publish, that we have to get out. And if I change anything in this, Excel will actually auto-calculate. So right there, it's 20, 29, 47. I can change anything else in my sheet, and we can see how it changes there. Moving on over here, I'm going to explain the serial number in Excel speak real quick. So here we have a bunch of dates, and down here we have a bunch of numbers. These are actually the same. The serial number in Excel is the days after January 1st, 1900. Excel does this so that it can do math on dates. So I know that 43,000 days have passed since January 1st, 1900. If I add 50 to that, I get 50 days into the future. It's what Excel does to work on date functions. I'm Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and we've gone over the now function here today. Just know that it's a function that returns to you data and isn't really something like a math function where you're doing stuff with numbers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe for other educational content. We release new videos daily. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.